Legend has it that primitive washing devices using water jets existed in Europe as early as the 17th century. In 1858, American inventor Hamilton Smith created the first patented rotary washing machine using a hand-cranked crank to drive a linear shaft for washing. Around 1874, various wooden hand-cranked washing machine designs appeared, using gear transmission to tumble clothes, propelling practical application. In the 1880s, steam-powered washing machines were introduced, gradually replacing manual labor. In 1911, the American company Schneider Electric successfully launched the first commercially available electric washing machines, ushering in the era of household automation. In 1937, the United States introduced the first fully automatic front-loading drum washing machine, achieving integrated washing, rinsing, and spin drying. In 1955, Japan, based on British jet-type technology, developed the pulsator washing machine, which remains popular today, creating a three-way division of the market among pulsator, drum, and agitator washing machines. In the 1970s, microcomputer-controlled, fully automatic washing machines were introduced. In the 1980s, China introduced dozens of overseas washing machine technologies, increasing annual production from several hundred units in 1978 to approximately 3.65 million units in 1988. In the 21st century, with the gradual popularization of variable frequency motors and AI intelligent control, the advent of washing machines has completely liberated human hands, bidding farewell to the heavy labor of hand washing and pounding.